Hello, good evening. This is Dr. Raj Nayak again. Welcome to my Raj's kitchen. Today I am going to cook the brown rice khichdi, which is called the rice porridge also. Since we are all during the period of lockdown, the recipe which I am cooking now is very healthy. It has a lot of calories and it is good for the digestion and it has fiber also. So what I am going to do is that I am going to cook a recipe which is great for the lockdown during the time when we are all suffering under the corona pandemic. So here we go. Taken 1 cup of rice, the brown rice, which I have soaked that in the water for about 2 or 3 hours so that it would be a little bit softer. Then I have half cup of the moong dal, the yellow lentils, which also I have soaked that in the water, drained it out and kept it like that. Here I am going to use the all the vegetables. I have green peas, I have carrots, of course I have onion, ginger, garlic, I have potatoes, tomatoes, some curry leaves. On top of that, it's all the veggies and things like that. I will be using 1 teaspoon of the white lentils, which is called the urad dal, and like a half of the dry red chili. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the clarified butter. This is organic homemade, and I'm also going to use the asafida, which is called the hing, and the salt. I'm going to start. The fire is on. I am going to put the clarified butter or the ghee in the cooker. It is already heated now. I am going to put 1 teaspoon of panch futan, which has cumin seeds, the fennel seeds, the mustard seeds, and the sesame seeds. So I am going to put that. Once it start to splitter, I am going to put the white lentils. While it is being done, I am going to add 2 red chilies. Then I am going to add the curry leaves. When it is being done, when it's splattering, I'm going to add the onion. Let it fry for 1 or 2 minutes. Then I will add the ginger garlic paste. I will fry it for 1 or 2 minutes. To this, I am going to add a little bit of asafida. While it is being done, now I am going to add the vegetables. I am going to fry it for a few minutes. I am going to add a little bit of turmeric powder and the salt according to the taste. Make sure it is not too salty, so I am going to add 1 teaspoon. Going to mix it well. I can smell all the good aroma coming out of it. I am going to add the cut tomatoes. I have taken one big tomato only. Again, I am going to fry it for a while. Well, I am going to raise the heat, put it on the high, fry it for a few minutes. Now I am going to reduce it to the low heat and I am going to add the brown rice. This is all drained, soaked in the water for about 3 hours, washed, rinsed and drained. I have put the rice already, you can see that. Now I am going to add the yellow lentils or the moong dal. These are without skin, you can use it with the skin also, which has also the same great taste. These lentils are considered to be the lightest of all the lentils because we have a lot of varieties of lentils, but this is the lightest one of all kinds. Since I have used 1 cup of rice and half cup of yellow lentils, I am going to add 4 cups of water. So I am going to add it now. That's 1, 2, 3. And I am going to add the 4th one. At this point make it the gas to high, mix it well again with the water and I will pressure cook it for about for the 2 whistles. I have turned the heat high. Now I am going to cover the lid. This is all set. I am going to cook it on the high heat for 2 whistles, and after 2 whistles I will let it cool down and then we'll garnish it with a little bit of cilantro and some lemon juice. So we'll wait till it is done and then I will show you how I garnish it. 7 minutes I am going to It is almost like 7 minutes. I am going to open. It is really cool down. I am going to open the cooker and wow, it seems like that it is done cooking. You can see that. I am going to mix it. It is cooked. You can see that. I am going to add a little bit of cumin powder. I am going to add some cilantro leaves, the coriander leaves. I am going to squeeze in half of the lemon. I have dropped the seed, so I am going to take it out. Now I am going to mix it well. While it is hot, this is the traditional way we do that, and this is my recipe. In fact, to get some more flavors, I have already cut the banana leaves and washed it. I am going to place the banana leaves on the top. Cover it now put back the lid. So with the same steam, it will get all the flavor and it gives a different aroma to the whole porridge. I am again going to cover it. I am not going to light the fire. The steam which is inside now, it will help in getting the flavor from the banana leaves. So after 5 or 10 minutes we are going to open it and before serving, and you can see.